what scalp micropigmentation is and how it is applied, then continue watching this video. It attempts to give the effect of having hair through point-based applications on the scalp. Special dyes that are chosen according to the person's hair color are preferred. Generally, applications consisting of 2 sessions are performed at 28-day intervals. It can vary depending on the person and may extend to 3 sessions. It can be done for both women and men. For individuals whose hair has thinned due to hair loss, or for those who have no hair at all or have undergone hair transplantation. However, individuals who want to make the result of their hair transplant appear denser can also undergo micropigmentation after the transplant. It can be applied to both short and long hair. Depending on the area to be treated and the length of the hair, the procedure duration can range from 2 to 8 hours. It can extend. The procedure is not painful. After the anesthesia cream, the procedure can be performed by applying local anesthesia. For individuals with a low pain threshold, the procedure can also be carried out with sedation administered by an anesthesiologist. Finally, for your procedure to be permanent, it is important for the person performing the procedure to know which subcutaneous layer to target, which dye to choose, and how many millimeters below the skin to perform the procedure. If you have made the right choice, your procedure will last up to 3 years. You can write your questions in the comments.